What's up, Heat Cypers? It's y'all boy Heat, and we are back with another one, y'all. We finna jump into another one, y'all. Head first. That's the only way to go. You know what I'm saying? There we go. My bad, y'all. Heat Cypers. What's up, y'all? Hey, y'all gotta be here. And y'all must know he will not stare you. Wrong. So we got MGK, Mind of a Stoner. But we going straight into it.
Alright, look, man. All you gotta do is make it through the day. And we gonna start with getting the fuck out of this place. Okay.
Hold up. Oh, shit. Well, he got Big Stoner on there, too. Wiz Khalifa.
Can't stay in that house, man. Damn. Ooh, she's pretty. Hold on, man. Is that Topanga? What the fuck? That's crazy, man. Now, what I need to do is get a fucking belt. Oh, I know that smell. Yeah, I'm definitely posting up at this bus stop. What's up, man?
What's up, man? You alright?
Yeah. It's one of those, like, fucked up weeks. You know what I'm saying?
I know what that's all about. Yeah. Hit that, maybe it'll brighten up your day.
Damn. Good looking, man.
Woo!
I'm Kels.
I'm Wiz.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Nice to meet you too.
Hell yeah.
I lost my job last night. Picked up my paycheck. 35% of it gone already because Uncle said to get paid.
Boy, that pisses everybody off. 35% of your check gone already because of Uncle Sam.
Picked up my paycheck. 35% of it gone already because Uncle said to get paid, yeah. Mom and them bitch about this rent. I ain't even gon' say shit. And half of what is left goes to her. Cause I ain't use that latex, damn. Cheese sandwich and chips. Slim just spilled his drink in my Toyota 96. Well, at least that blunt is lit. Don't they say life is what you make it? I'm trying to make it money. And right through my hood clean as Easter Sunday. That's what's up.
All my dreamers put your hands in the skies. All my dreamers put your hands in the skies. One time. All my dreamers put your hands in the skies. All my dreamers put your hands in the skies. One time. For the bullshit that you came from, worked hard to get away from, but the devil's there and you just can't seem to shake up. For the long night that you stayed up, thinking about that paper. Question liquor, split it, light it, blaze up. From the mind of a stoner. From the mind of a stoner. Simple thoughts from a loner. Simple thoughts from a loner. Just the mind of a stoner. From the mind of a stoner. Simple thoughts from a loner. Simple thoughts from a loner.
Yeah. Parents aren't doing much now since little brother got locked up. And I'm stuck smoking this mid, waiting for the weed man to get stocked up. And my girl canceled on me. Said something else popped up. And I can't get with my ex now cause her ring finger all rocked up.
Ooh, said his girl canceled on him. You can't get with his ex cause her ring finger rocked up. That means she done got married on the boy.
Something else popped up. And I can't get with my ex now cause her ring finger all rocked up. No one likes you when you're 23 without a plan. Sit around in apartments all they smoking weed. And I'm like, bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Till I spin out in my Subaru and review with some lights. Red, white, blue, same color as our flag. The ones that they say salute, but the ones that's whooping my ass.
Red, white, and blue, same colors as our flag. The one they say salute, but that same flag is whipping my ass. That 35% that's coming out of his check, he pissed at that shit still. Plus other shit.
Same color as our flag. The ones that they say salute, but the ones that's whipping my ass. And the same days that I'm happy, the same days that I'm mad. Cause I can't go 24 hours without shit happening to my ass. Get hot.
The same days I'm happy, the same days I'm mad, cause I can't go 24 hours without something happening. Hold up.
The same days that I'm mad, cause I can't go 24 24 hours without shit happening till my ass get high. Get high.
All my dreamers put your hands in the skies. All my dreamers put your hands in the skies. One time. All my dreamers put your hands in the skies. All my dreamers put your hands in the skies. One time. For the bullshit that you came from, worked hard to get away from, but the devil's there and you just can't seem to shake up. For the long night that you stayed up, thinking about that paper. Crush a lick and split it, light a blaze up. From the mind of a stoner, from the mind of a stoner. Simple thoughts from a loner, simple thoughts from a loner. Just the mind of a stoner, from the mind of a stoner. Simple thoughts from a loner, simple thoughts from a loner.
Rolling up this weed,
Simple thoughts from a loner.
thinking about life, and you know what? I'm good. Yeah.
Oh, this from the Black Flag album too. That Black Flag, that's the second song I heard on Black Flag. Then might have to go check that damn whole album out in a minute. You feel he? We did it, y'all. He out, y'all. Peace.